In this case, I'm going to show you how to add a video into OBS and audio into OBS at the same time. When you look at your screen, you can see me, but I'm not going to use whatever you are seeing on the screen. I'm going to create a new scene. That is one. Two, I'm going to create a new source. Like I told you before, that scenes produce sources, and sources come from scenes. Okay? Now, in this tutorial, these are the things, actually the basics that you are supposed to learn. Okay, welcome back to Dreams Tech. Today, I wanted to show you how to add a video into OBS. When we're using OBS, like I told you before, that there are very many ways actually how you can do things differently. And one of those things is that when you want to at least react on a video or do any video, if you want to react on any video or you want to work on any video, you have to learn how to add it there. And at the same time, you add also an audio. Now in this video, I have come to show you how to add that video. And at the same time, you add the audio. Let's go to OBS and then I show you how actually it is done. Now, this is our screen, our monitor. Let's go to our OBS, then I show you how to actually do it. Here, I'm into OBS. I believe you can see it right here. This is our OBS that we are going to use. Then I have to open OBS like I told you before that we have to run it as administrator here. See here, we are going to run it as an administrator. This is our administrative rights that we are actually going to use. Now, our OBS has launched. I believe that you are seeing me right there on the screen for OBS. In this case, I'm going to show you how to add a video into OBS and audio into OBS at the same time. When you look at your screen, you can see me, but I'm not going to use whatever you are seeing on the screen. I'm going to create a new scene. That is one. Two, I'm going to create a new source. Like I told you before, that scenes produce sources, and sources come from scenes. Okay? Now, in this tutorial, these are the things, actually the basics that you are supposed to learn if you want to know how to use OBS and master it. Let's go there and find out. Right here, I'm going to create a new scene here. This is our add button. I'm going to create a new scene and then we give it a name. Tutorial. This is our tutorial. Now, after opening our tutorial, what we are going to do actually, now this is our scene actually. Now we are going to see how we are going to add a video. Then what we have to do, we have to come here on our plus button. Then you say add an image. When you are adding actually videos, we name them as media sources. They are called media sources. All those names that you are seeing, you are seeing written on the screen there. Let me first magnify so that you can see them nicely. These are the names that we have to consider when we are adding sources. We have application audio, we have audio input, we have everything. I think you can see right there on your screen. They are totally different. We have scenes. Actually, these are nested scenes. Then here we have text. If you want to add a text, then here we have to add a video capture image. If you want to add your webcam, Here we have window capture. If you want to capture any window, then here we have group scenes, and then here we have deprecated. Now, whatever it was seeing on the screen, we are going to choose media here. If you want to add a video, you have to choose media, because we are going to add a media source so that we can use it. Now, right on your screen, we are going to add media. Look here. Then we look for the media. You can even give it a name like video. Then you hit OK. Now here, it is going to show you all this. Like I told you before, if you have the video already inside your computer, you have to check here. Then if you don't have it, you just leave it and then you go online. Now here, I will show you actually, there is a loop. If you want the video to continue playing, restart playback, and all this I think you know. Then here we have browse. What you're going to do, if you uncheck this one, it is going to bring this interface actually, meaning that you are going to use a URL, meaning that you are going to get the video direct from the internet. Now we have to check it because I already have the videos inside my machine. Okay. Now we have to go to browse. When you go to browse, it will take you into your videos, and then you choose which specific video you want to actually use. Now assume that I have one video that I'm going to use right here. Let me at least pick one video. Then I hit OK. Now I believe when you're looking at your screen, now you are seeing something different. The video has appeared on our screen. Now, when you add this video on our screen, then at the same time, you can add audio for the video. Now, in this case, when you want to add audio, you just go here. I believe you are seeing what I'm doing right here. Look here, look here. Look at this gear button here in the corner. Okay. Let me show you here. These are the gear icon. So you have to place it so that it produces what you want. Look here. You have to place them. And then you remember you have added a video and its name is here. This is the video. Then you have to come here. You see, monitor off, meaning it cannot speak. Let me uncheck it, and then I change. Then I write. I think you can. So I'm going to put monitor and output. So when we say monitor and output,
close the pot of hell and open the pot of heaven in your office. And open your office to be a portal, not just an office, but a portal of heaven.
Okay. So that's how you add a video onto your OBS, and at the same time, you add audio. There are a lot of things actually that we have to do there, but what you have had, you can continue from there. We shall be making a lot of videos concerning with this. So if you would like to attend all these classes, just come in and then we'll see how to do it. You ask questions, make sure that you like this video at the same time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I say shalom.